Hello?
Hello?
Who is this?
It's me, Frank, remember, from play school?
Oh, right. Hey, Frank.
Yeah, they came to say that there's dead bodies under a bridge where I live.
Alright, a dead body.
Yeah,
Suppose you want me to come along and see that?
yeah, I think, yeah.
Okay, I'll meet you by the... where?
The train tracks.
Train tracks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so Frank, I really don't have time for this dead body stuff. Just show me the body so I can, you know, get...
Alright, you shut the hell up, put your hands up in the air. I'm gonna take a while and stuff it up your face. What the hell, Frank? What the hell are you doing?
What are you saying?
Give me the money, give me the money.
What? Give me the money. What? Something about it.
In the money, in the bag.
What was it?
I put the money in the bag.
What bag? I don't have any money. I just came here because you told me to. Frank, what the hell are you doing?
You know what, Frank, I'm gonna be going now. Okay, so with him doing that, looks like I'm okay to get out of here. Hope I'm home in time to eat that spaghetti I left on the cooker. Probably should have stopped cooking the spaghetti beforehand. Oh well, at least everything looks like it's gonna be good. Finally. Can't see him anymore. Looks like I got away. Wait a minute. What the hell?
Well, if you asked me at the time, I thought the day couldn't possibly have gotten any stranger. But I was wrong. On the way home, I was eaten by a baby fox.